grass didn't look that bad before I started.
Is that not amazing how much comes out of there?
Well, it's really pretty easy.
Yeah.
I mean, it's really not that much effort.
Oh.
Oh. I'll go in the backyard and do it real quick before you're done.
Oh, yeah. So what Teri here is using is a new type of thatching rake. I'm recommending this to a lot of my clients that have small lawns. The weather's changing and it's getting harder to keep a nice lawn. At certain times of the year, you could just easily thatch your lawn. If it's a small one like this, or if you have areas where I can't get my machinery in, and you can do a little bit of thatching yourself, and it's minimal effort, maximum return. And what I also like is it's a lot of this horizontally growing grass down here. It stands it up right there. It stands up so that when you mow your lawn, you can cut that off. That's a horizontally growing grass. I believe stoloniferous is what it's called. And it's a poa grass, I believe.
Good. Unfortunately, I can't mow my lawn for a couple of weeks if you're putting some seed on it.
That's true.
So I'm going to have to look at this little standing up grass.
Yep.
Oh well. I can borrow my neighbor's non-gas.
A real type.
A reel.
Probably, yeah.
Oh, that's what I'll do.
Huh.